First of all, let's prepare the fungus and add warm water to soak it for 2 hours to soak it. Let's put the soaked fungus into the flour, and then let's wash it because the flour has a long-term adsorption property and can remove the dirt in the fungus. He washes it off. Let's see if it can't be washed. Is it particularly clean? After cleaning it, let's control the water and put it in the basin, add cornmeal and grasp it half evenly with your hands so that each fungus can be evenly coated with flour, and then put it in the container. In the middle, use hot oil to explode its fragrance, then add a spoonful of light soy sauce, a spoonful of rice vinegar, some sesame oil, and finally some chopped green onion, so that our delicious sauce will be ready. When the time comes, the fungus will be good too. Our really good fungus, the dipping sauce, is also very delicious. We can also put the right fungus in the basin, add the side dishes you like, pour the best sauce, and mix the fungus with your hands. Plus you are like me again. Oh my god, it's really delicious. In the end, that's the sentence. Follow me and you'll find me when you're cooking. Thank you.